Here's how you can change name of your page on Facebook. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the name of your page on Facebook. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. And it's pretty easy. So yeah, just follow along and you will be able to do it. Just first of all, go to Facebook. Once you go to Facebook, here you can see I have a normal profile right over here. What you have to do is go to menu on the corner. Once you go right over here, you'll see an arrow right next to your profile. Just press on it, and here you will be able to see your page. Once I click on my page, it's switched, and as you can see, is the same. I have to go to menu again, but now we have to click on the gear icon on top. Once we press on it, it will bring us to the settings and privacy tab. Just scroll down a bit until you find page setup. Press on it, and you'll be able to see name. Just press on view. And here, you can change your name. Let's say I wanna change my name to and that's it. Just press on review change. And here, you have to enter your Facebook password and then press save changes, and you will be able to change your name. Keep in mind, after changing your name, you cannot change it for 60 days. So yeah, but that's how you can change your Facebook page's name. So I hope I helped you out with this video, and like and subscribe, and until then, peace out and goodbye.